Hi students, exercise 9.2, evaluate the first question, limit x approaches to x power 4 minus 16 divided by x minus 2. This is the given problem. Okay, here substitute x equal to 2 power 4 minus 16 divided by 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 denominator have 0. 2 power 4, 16 minus 16, numerator have 0. 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. Okay, indeterminate form. Okay, net form. So, using one property, we can calculate the limit of the given function. Okay, here. Using the property, we know that limit x approaches a x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. Okay, any given function can be changed into this form: x approaches a, x replace a minus a, then the denominator have 0. That is infinity. Okay, infinity, 0 by 0. Here numerator have 0, denominator have 0. X power n minus a power n divided by x minus a, which is equal to the power n. Okay, n into a power n minus 1. Okay, n into a power n minus 1. This is the property. Okay, using this property into here, given problem, limit x approaches to x power 4 minus 16. 16 can be written as 2 power 4 divided by x minus 2. Okay, here n which is equal to power n which is equal to 4 and a which is equal to 2. Substituting n equal to 4, a equal to into here, that is n into 4 into a power n minus 1, 4 minus 1. Okay, here 4 into 2 power 4 minus 1 is 3, 2 power 3 is 8, 8 4s are 32. Okay, 8 4s are 32. Okay, any indeterminate form, using any one property, we can find the limit of the given function. Okay, here question number 2, limit x approaches to 1, x power m minus 1 divided by x power n minus 1, where m comma n belongs to integers. Okay, belongs to integers. Here x, substitute x equal to 1, 1 power m, 1 power anything is 1, 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1, that is 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. So using property, here solution, given limit x approaches 1, x power m minus 1, 1 power m. Okay, 1 can be written as 1 power m divided by x power n minus 1 can be written as 1 power n. Okay, 1 power n. Here multiply and divided by factor x minus 1 doesn't change the value. Okay, here limit x approaches 1, x power m minus 1 power m divided by x power n minus 1 power n, multiply and divided by the factor x minus 1. Okay, doesn't change the value. Here x power m minus 1 power m, and the denominator have the factor x minus 1. Okay, collecting this and collecting another one. Okay, here the limit you know the property, limit x approaches x naught, f of x divided by g of x, which is equal to limit x approaches x naught, f of x divided by limit x approaches x naught g of x. Okay, g of x. Using this property into here, that is limit, please wait, limit x approaches 1, x power m minus 1 power m divided by x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1 divided by, then the numerator, the factor is x minus 1, can be written as limit x approaches 1, x power n minus 1 power n divided by x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1. Here apply limit, that is substitute x equal to 1 into here. Indeterminate form, we have indeterminate form. So using this property n into a power n minus 1. Similarly, then the numerator n into a power n minus 1. Then the denominator n into a power n minus 1. Okay, here 1 power anything is 1. M into 1 is m. 1 power anything is 1. N into 1 is n. Then the final result m divided by n. Okay, m divided by n. Question number 3. Limit root x approaches 3. Then the function x square minus 81 divided by root x minus 3. Here replace root x equal to 3. Then the function is x square. So x can be written as root x into root x. Isn't it? Yes. Similarly, x square can be written as root x into root x the whole square. Isn't it? Whole square. That is root x into root x the whole square, again square, that is root x the whole power 4. Isn't it? Yes, x square can be written as root x the whole power 4. Here solution, limit root x approaches 3, x square minus 81 divided by root x minus 3. Here limit root x approaches 3, x square can be written as root x whole power 4. Okay, and 81 can be written as 3 power 4. Okay, 3 power 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 3, 81. Okay, minus 3 power 4 divided by root x minus 3. This is the structure of limit x approaches a, x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. Okay, n into a power n minus 1. Here n equal to 4. Okay, n equal to 4, a equal to 3. Okay, a equal to 3. Here n into a power n minus 1. Okay, n is 4 into a is 3 whole power 4 minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1. Here 3 power 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 into 3 power 3. 3 power 3 is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 into 4. Okay, 27 into 4. 4 into 27. 7 4s are 28. Remaining 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, therefore the limit is 108. Okay. Next question number 4. Limit h approaches 0. Numerator square root of x plus h minus square root of x divided by h. For condition x greater than 0, it means x is like as positive values, because square root of positive values take outside the square root, again positive values. Okay, again we get the result is positive values. Okay, solution, given limit h approaches 0, square root of x plus h minus square root of x divided by h. Here replace h equal to 0. H equal to 0 means square root of x plus 0 is square root of x minus square root of x divided by 0. That is 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. So using conjugate of numerator, okay, using conjugate of numerator, that is which is equal to here limit h tends to 0, square root of x plus h minus square root of x divided by h into take conjugate of numerator, that is square root of x plus h plus square root of x divided by square root of x plus h plus square root of x. Here simplified numerator have a minus b into a plus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. Okay, limit h tends to 0, numerator is square root of x plus h, that is a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square. Then the denominator have h into square root of x plus h plus square root of x. Okay, square root of x. Then the numerator square root are cancelled, square root are cancelled. That is limit h approaches 0, numerator x plus h minus x divided by h into square root of x plus h plus square root of x. Here plus x minus x are cancelled, then h are cancelled, then the remaining is limit h approaches 0, 1 divided by square root of x plus h plus square root of x. Okay, here replace h equal to 0 into the function, that is 1 divided by square root of x plus 0 plus square root of x, that is 1 divided by square root of x plus square root of x, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 times of square root of x. Okay. Question number 5. Limit x approaches 5, then the function square root of x plus 4 minus 3 divided by x minus 5. Here replace x equal to 5 into the function. 5 plus 4, 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 minus 3, numerator have 0. Denominator 5 minus 5, denominator also have 0. 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. So numerator, then the function in the first term square root of x plus 4. So take conjugate of numerator. Okay, take conjugate of numerator. Solution given limit x approaches 5, then the function x plus 4 minus 3 divided by the factor x minus 3. Okay, which is equal to take conjugate of numerator. Okay, that is limit x approaches 5, square root of x plus 4 minus 3 divided by x minus 5 into square root of x plus 4 minus means take conjugate means opposite sign, plus 3 divided by square root of x plus 4 plus 3. Numerator is in the form a minus b into a plus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. Okay, limit x approaches 5, square root of x plus 4 whole square minus 3 square divided by denominator is x minus 5 into square root of x plus 4 plus 3. Okay, numerator in the first term square root are cancelled, then the remaining result is limit x approaches 5, here x plus 4 minus 3 squared is 9. X plus 4 minus 9 divided by x minus 5 into square root of x plus 4 plus 3. Okay, in the numerator 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Factor x minus 5 are cancelled. Okay, finally we get limit x approaches 5, 1 divided by square root of x plus 4 plus 3. Okay, here replace x equal to 5 into the function, that is 1 divided by square root of 5 plus 4 plus 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. Take square root of 9 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 divided by 3 plus 3, which is equal to 1 divided by 6. Okay. Question number 6. Limit x approaches to numerator have 1 minus x minus 1 by 2 divided by x minus 2. Replace x equal to 2 into the function 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Numerator have 0. Then denominator replace x equal to 2. 2 minus 2. Denominator also have 0. That is 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. So using a given function can be written in another format, that is solution given limit x approaches to 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by 2 divided by x minus 2, which is equal to limit x approaches to that in the numerator of first term, denominator have x goes to numerator, that is x power minus 1. Okay, in the second term the number 2 goes to numerator, that is minus 2 power minus 1 divided by, in the denominator which divided by factor is x minus 2. Okay, this is the structure of limit x approaches a x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. Okay, which is equal to n into a power n minus 1. Okay, here n equal to minus 1, a equal to 2, a equal to 2. Okay, using these properties into here, that is n into a power n minus 1. n is minus 1 into a is 2 power n minus 1. n is minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 into 2 power minus 1 is minus 2. Okay, 2 power minus 2 can be written as minus 1 divided by 2 power plus 2. Okay, 2 power 2 is 4, which is equal to minus 1 divided by 4. Okay, minus 1 divided by 4. In the problem can be find in another one method, this iterator. Okay, iterator method, given the function limit x approaches to 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by 2 divided by x minus 2. Okay, here then the numerator using cross multiplication is equal to limit x approaches to, using cross multiplication, that is 2 minus x divided by 2 minus x divided by, using cross multiplication, that is 2 minus x divided by 2x. This is the numerator. Okay, divided by, then the denominator is x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2. Here numerator 2 minus x, take outside minus 1, take outside minus 1, limit x approaches to, take outside minus 1 is x minus 2 divided by 2x, which is divided by the factor x minus 2. Okay, the factor x minus 2 are cancelled. Finally we get limit x approaches to minus 1 divided by 2x. Okay, minus 1 divided by 2x. Here replace x. Here replace x equal to 2 into the function, that is minus 1 divided by 2 into 2, that is minus 1 divided by 4. Okay, minus 1 divided by 4. Question number 7. Limit x approaches 1, square root of x minus x square divided by 1 minus square root of x. Okay, replace x equal to 1. 1 minus square root of 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is denominator have 0. Numerator also have 0. 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. Okay, therefore the given function can be modified in different form. Okay, solution. Given limit x approaches 1, square root of x minus x square divided by 1 minus square root of x, which is equal to denominator have square root of x. Okay, here x approaches 1, denominator take conjugate of denominator, limit x approaches 1, square root of x minus x square divided by 1 minus root x, take conjugate of denominator, that is 1 plus root x. In the numerator is 1 plus root x. Denominator in the form is a plus b into a minus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. Okay, here limit x approaches 1, then the numerator is root x minus x square into 1 plus root x divided by denominator is 1 square minus root x the whole square. Okay, here square root are cancelled. Finally we get 1 minus x. Okay, then the numerator root x product into the factor 1 plus root x, and minus x square is also product into the factor 1 plus root x. Okay, this limit x approaches 1, numerator is root x into 1 is root x into root x is plus x square. Okay, root x into root x is x. Okay, minus x square into 1 is minus x square. Minus x square into root x is minus root x into x square. Okay, divided by in the factor 1 minus x. Okay, 1 minus x. Here simplify corresponding terms. That is limit x approaches 1, root x minus root x into x square plus x minus x square divided by 1 minus x. Okay, here take outside root x in the first term, that is limit x approaches 1, take outside root x in the first term, that is 1 minus x square. Okay, 1 minus x square. 1 can be written as 1 square minus x square. Okay, in the second term, take outside the factor is x plus x into 1 minus x square. Okay, 1 minus x square. Then the denominator is 1 minus x. Okay, in the numerator have common factor 1 square minus x square, take outside in two terms, that is limit x approaches 1, take outside 1 square minus x square on both term, then the remaining is root x plus x divided by 1 minus x. Here 1 square minus x square like as a square minus b square, which can be written as a plus b into a minus b. It is limit x approaches 1, 1 plus x into 1 minus x into square root of x plus x. Then the denominator is 1 minus x. Here the factor 1 minus x are cancelled. Then the remaining is limit x approaches 1 plus x into square root of x plus x. Here replace x equal to 1 into the function, that is 1 plus 1 into square root of 1 plus 1. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into here root 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Question number 7. Can we find solution in another one method, that is Alaita method. Alaita method, given limit x approaches 1, square root of x minus x squared divided by 1 minus root x. Okay, we know that x can be written as root x into root x. Okay, x square, which is equal to root x whole power 4. Okay, root x whole power 4. Given function can be written as limit x approaches 1, root x minus x square can be written as root x whole power 4 divided by 1 minus root x. Okay, 1 minus root x. Here the terms are changed, that is take outside minus 1 in numerator and denominator. Limit x approaches 1, take outside minus 1 in numerator and denominator, minus 1 into square root of x whole power 4 minus square root of x divided by square root of x minus 1 into minus 1. Here minus 1 are cancelled. In the numerator, two term have root x, take outside root x, that is limit x approaches 1, root x into root x whole power 3 minus take outside root x, remaining is 1. Okay, in the second term 1 can be written as 1 power 3 divided by root x minus 1. Okay, root x minus 1. Now we have two functions using this property, that is limit x approaches x naught f of x into g of x. Okay, f of x into g of x, which can be written as limit x approaches x naught into f of x into limit x approaches x naught into g of x. Okay, g of x, using this property into here. Okay, using this property into here, that is limit x approaches 1 into root x. Okay, root x into limit x approaches 1 root x power 3 minus 1 power 3 divided by root x minus 1. Okay, here in the first f of x, replace x equal to 1 into here, that is root 1. Okay, into here, this is in the form of limit x approaches a, x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a, which is equal to n into a power n minus 1. Okay, similarly using this property into here, n equal to 3. Okay, n equal to 3, and a equal to 1. Okay, here n into a power n minus 1. Okay, n into a power n minus 1, n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1. Here root 1 is 1 into 3 into 1 power 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, 1 squared is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, question number 8. Limit x approaches 0. Square root of x square plus 1 minus 1 divided by square root of x square plus 16 minus 4. Numerator have square root and denominator have square root of factor x square plus 1, x square plus 16. Both are different. So take conjugate of numerator and denominator. Okay, take conjugate of numerator and denominator. Okay, solution. Given limit x approaches 0, square root of x square plus 1 minus 1 divided by square root of x square plus 16 minus 4, which is equal to limit x approaches 0, numerator is x square plus 1 minus 1 divided by square root of x square plus 16 minus 4. Take conjugate of numerator and denominator. Numerator is square root of x square plus 1 plus 1 divided by square root of x square plus 1 plus 1 into conjugate of denominator square root of x square plus 16 plus 4 divided by square root of x square plus 16 plus 4. Okay, here simplify. Denominator is a square minus b divided by a minus b into a plus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. Okay, and the numerator a minus b into a plus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. That is limit x approaches 0, a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Okay, product another one factor, that is square root of x square plus 16 plus 4. Okay, denominator is a minus b into a plus b, that is square root of x square plus 16 whole square minus 4 square. Okay, minus 4 square. Then the another one factor is, product of another one factor is square root of x square plus 1 plus 1. Okay, here square root are cancelled, x square plus 1 minus 1 square is 1, plus 1 minus 1 are cancelled. Then the denominator minus 4 square is minus 16, plus 16 minus 16 are cancelled. Then the remaining is limit x approaches 0, numerator is x squared into square root of x squared plus 16 plus 4 divided by denominator is x squared into square root of x squared plus 1 plus 1. Okay, here the factor x squared is cancelled. The remaining square root of x squared plus 16 plus 4 divided by square root of x squared plus 1 plus 1. Replace x equal to 0 into the function, that is square root of 0 plus 16 plus 4 divided by square root of 0 plus 1 plus 1. And the numerator is 0 plus 16 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4 plus 4 divided by square root of 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 1. This is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2, simplify, we get the result 4. Okay, we get the result 4. Question number 9. Limit x approaches 0, square root of 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x. Replace x equal to 0, denominator have 0, numerator 1 plus 0 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, numerator also have 0. Okay, 0 by 0 is indeterminate form, numerator have square root, so take conjugate of numerator. Okay, solution given limit x approaches 0, square root of 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x, which is equal to limit x approaches 0, square root of 1 plus x divided 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x, take conjugate of numerator, that is square root of 1 plus x minus 1 is plus 1, square root of 1 plus x plus 1. Okay, numerator in the form a minus b into a plus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. Okay, limit x approaches 0, 1 plus x, this is a square minus b square, in the denominator is x into square root of 1 plus x plus 1. Okay, here square root are cancelled, 1 plus x minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 are cancelled, remaining limit x approaches 0, numerator have x divided by denominator is x into square root of 1 plus x plus 1. Okay, here x are cancelled, finally we get the function is limit x approaches 0, 1 divided by square root of 1 plus x plus 1. Okay, here replace x equal to 0 into the function, that is 1 divided by square root of 1 plus 0 plus 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, take square root of 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 1 divided by 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 divided by 2. Okay, 1 divided by 2. Okay, thank you.